Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about 10 real estate marketing ideas to bring you in qualified buyers. Now, real estate is a field that's equal parts challenging and potentially lucrative. A 2020 study by the National Association of Realtors, or NAR, found that 88% of buyers recently purchased their home through a real estate agent or broker. That same study also found that 73% of buyers interviewed only one real estate agent during their home search, a figure that highlights the importance of building awareness and getting in front of buyers as quickly as possible. That's why having a solid grasp on real estate marketing is an absolute must for anybody in the field. Below, I've compiled some real estate marketing ideas top agents use to promote their businesses, whether you're just getting started or an experienced realtor looking to attract new clients. These marketing tips will help you create a successful marketing plan. So one, you could create a website. Many consumers search the internet to investigate products and services before they buy. Creating a website for your real estate business will show prospective clients what you have to offer. Include your listings on your site and update them regularly. This will keep prospects coming to your site as they search for property. And add something a little unexpected to your website apart. You could add a mortgage calculator, which is an easy value add for visitors. Two, you could build a blog. You can also start a blog and create content optimized for SEO. This ensures your posts show up in prospect search results every single time. Tools like Google Analytics can help you find search terms and keywords your target clients are looking for and will inspire you with fresh topic ideas. Make it easy for them to navigate to your main website, link your profile pages on other real estate sites so they can learn more about you and your business. And don't forget to create interesting images for your post. 3, develop an email marketing campaign. Set a monthly newsletter roundup of your blog content and reach out to contacts with new property listings are available. Include images of the properties that link to the full listing. A video walkthrough of the property is also a great addition, or virtual staging on them. 4, run paid Instagram promotions. Instagram is another great tool to get in touch with home buyers. Promote your listings and grow your brand. And your most beautiful images can reach even more people with paid promotion. Instagram ads allow you to pick a target audience, budget, post type. You can do image, video, or carousel and length of your promotion. And you can use targeted hashtags to ensure posts are presented to people you'd like to reach. All right, 5, use drone photography. Take sweeping shots of the home's exterior and surrounding landscape using drone photography. Purchase a drone or use a drone service to capture the perfect shot. Use the photos to add an excitement factor to your listings. Video can be used to supplement your virtual tours or walkthrough and show exterior features like patio and pools. All right, 6, create a Zillow profile. With over 188 million monthly users, Zillow provides opportunity to get your business in front of thousands of new prospects. This resource from Zillow lists steps to set up your own profile. Your profile allows you to share your listings with a large audience and connect with potential clients, increasing the likelihood of gaining a new buyer. 7, make your own videos. Yeah, it's no secret that video can be a powerful tool for realtors, and it doesn't have to cost thousands. Whether you go for a highly produced video or use video software to record a message from your laptop, pitching your service to potential clients, video can be a way to set yourself apart from a crowd. 8, leverage traditional advertising media. While the real estate market hasn't been exempt from the rising tide of digital transformation, some old school marketing tactics can still play an effective real estate marketing strategy. More traditional media like print advertisements and billboards often provide a big time boost to real estate agents' marketing efforts. 9, optimize your website for mobile. This point is pertinent for any business that maintain websites, and real estate agents are no exception. 10, maintain an email newsletter. One way to keep yourself at the top of potential clients' minds is by staying in active touch with them via newsletter. Send them relevant content, report on local real estate news, and update them on listings in your area. It doesn't have to be particularly complex or expensive. Just keep them thinking about you and letting them know you're staying on the trends in your local market. So guys, this was just 10 of the many ways that you can reach a potential audience online and to grow your business. If you like content like this, hit that subscribe button below. I post as much as I possibly can while I'm getting deals together, bringing together seller and buyer and getting stuff done. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.